Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use smart charging on Vivo V50 Lite 5G to protect battery. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to protect your battery to use smart charging in your device, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery, tab on it, and battery, just look for battery health and charging, select it. And here you will get two options. You just have to select the second one, which is optimized battery charging. And here you will get the further two options, which is charging upper limit and optimized based on habits. You must have to enable this one to use smart charging in your device. It will optimize your battery charging and it will protect your battery. So that's how you can easily enable or use smart charging on your Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.